Everyone, today I would like to show how to do grading in Excel. Now I use Excel version 2007 and 7. Okay, yeah, now we can start. Sport, we have the data. The data including student ID and name, student name, this and surname. This one let me show in Thai, and we correct the score from students. For here we do assignment 1, 2, and we do midterm exam and final exam. And totally when we do sum right, it becomes 100%, right? Yeah. Now we can sum the score, the total score, and then we can do grading. Now let me use if function. Now we do grading by A, B plus B, C plus C until E. Okay, let's start. Spot if, and we use data from G2, right? If G2 greater than equal or greater than 80, then we print then we print A in uppercase. If not, for if in the for case, we can use the other if C2 greater equal or greater than 75, and then we print B plus, and if again C2 again equal or greater than 70, we print B. Okay, and then if C2 equal or greater than 65, we print C plus. Okay, then if again C2 or greater than 60, we print C. Okay, and then do it again. If C2 or greater than 55, we print D plus, and then if C2 again equal or greater than 50, we print D. Okay, and the last one, if C2 less than 50, we print E. Okay, finish. And then we have to put this one until black color. Okay, finish. YE. No, we have to change this one. Then equal what happened? Let me check. Greater than if C2 G. Oh, sorry, G. Okay, sorry. Okay, finish. You can check. 75 become B plus. Okay, like this. If you want to count how many students in a class got A, we can count by use count if function here, and rank, we rank from here, and after that count what? Count A, right? A, sorry, A, okay. How many A here? 2, right? Okay. If we want to count B plus, we can do again. If count if, okay, rank, and B plus. Okay, and so on. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.